Welcome to Promise World for the real G's. My people, this matters when I see so. I say my eye no go fit see this one, make I leave am. Now I say make I can come this table, make I can share am with my lovely people. One senator come out say I no get the senator for Buster too. He come out for nowhere. For nowhere come out, come they talk nyana pata. He talk say and from today go, anybody when be say if the parents somewhere kidnap them, say the person will go 15 years imprisonment. I beg my people, if I will choke man for this matter, more than listening, more than watch the video, more than hear where the man for the talk.
Permit me to lead the debate on this very important bill titled Terrorism Prevention Amendment Bill 2021. This bill was read for the first time in this hallowed chamber on the 10th of March 2021. Mr. President, my distinguished colleagues, this bill seeks to amend the Terrorism Prevention Act 2013 to outlaw the payment of ransom to abductors, kidnappers, and terrorists for the release of any person who has been wrongfully confined, imprisoned, or kidnapped, and other related matters. Essentially, this bill seeks to substitute for Section 14 of the Principal Act a new section to read, anyone who transfers funds, makes payment, or colludes with an abductor, kidnapper, or terrorist to receive any ransom for the release of any person who has been wrongfully confined, imprisoned, or kidnapped is guilty of a felony and is liable on conviction to a term of imprisonment of not less than 15 years.
My people, now hear the man for the talk and so. Anybody when be say kidnap, he go pay ransom. He will go 15 years imprisonment. You know why they bring this matter council? You know why they talk this matter? Now because of this student when Boko Haram kidnap, they not agree pay ransom put for the matter. Then when they bring this matter come out so anybody when pay ransom kidnap them, they will go 15 years imprisonment. You hear us? Because anything we say won't favor them, they will come outside, can't read and come outside because it will favor them. Students when they kidnap, they never release other one, no, they never pay kidnappers. So. But if not them, you know their own, but if not there, they will not release and since. They'll go pay ransom put. Because kidnap students, now when we say they never release for that area, so for when Boko Haram bandits kidnap, they say me the parents they gonna release the girls and the boys when they release students. Now all these senator pack common side can't say anybody when parents will go 15 years imprisonment. Okay, tell me how youth now want to fight for this matter now when they talk back when senator can talk that when that person say may youth can't liberate them for the Nigeria. Anything when you favor them like this, they'll just come and say, bah! They're gonna come up in front of channel television, channel TV, come they talk. I wait for this country. I wait for them. Now, see now like okay, if not then, okay, wait, if not then, because ever since they pay ransom for kidnappers, they come outside now, come talk say, if they kidnap you, not pay ransom. If you pay ransom, you go 5 years, 15 years, you go 15 years imprisonment. But they don't come outside, come quote, and they told that one so say, if they arrest you, we will assist you. We as government will assist you. Go release them. They not talk about that one. Only the one who favor the night they talk. So they call kidnap person picking and kidnap person nana. The person now will go if you go parents they will come go prison put because they go save the life of people of your loved ones. The person will go prison. The person when they kidnap will go prison and the kidnapper will still go prison. Can you imagine talk? Now not provide how I want to assist them. How I want to go bring their common sense. Even America won't even they talk about it. If they arrest, if they kidnap any American people, the government, the president, they provide the solution to the problem. They go even promise the ransom. They will still reach there. They will still kill the people when they kidnap, or they will arrest them when they kidnap all these people. They will still collect their money back. But no, not provide any provision for anybody. Now just come outside. Now just gather this thing. Now your big resource gather come outside. Don't tell anybody when pay ransom. You will go 15 years imprisonment. But if they kidnap you now go bail na safe. If they kidnap na pikin, now go pay ransom. If they kidnap na self, now go pay ransom. Abi, but the poor citizens there. They will not get level, will not be senator, will not be president, will not be governor for the country. If they kidnap them, they go pay ransom, they will go 15 years imprisonment. Una hear story, my people. This matter, eh? You with me? Imagine, see what you they talk. They just, okay, anybody when they just kidnap, no, no, so I won't help them, but they just they look. They just they helpless. They just they look. They wait for the new whether they will kill the dead body come or they will release them. Imagine country one would they. When I even get that thought, now even think and come out, I can't talk herself. They don't go school now. Now connection they take enter all these things. Connection, I mean that you can't enter their head because they don't destiny, they don't they present power. Can't enter their head. Well, now you sit down, now discuss this thing, give your colleague. Oh. They not tell you say this one you want to stop her. It's not good. You get what you want to help them. I get police, I get soldier for the country. When you want to go help, they go breed their person come out for kidnap and hand. When you say me they not pay ransom. not talking. Nobody call you come and nobody stand on for this matter. Because the power, the president does stand with you now. So if they kidnap people, no, they go just stand with the look, maybe they hear either die or released. Abi? All this people want to see that when they come out, all this government come out. Now the first thought they pay all this ransom. Now they thought they pay. They thought they pay. Now we say the children when they went Boko Haram kidnap now to go release and every problem. Even the family when all these children when they release that time, they never even the family when all this when they release that time, the people not talk about them whether they because whether the money they use they release them or not because not a criminal offense. All this God, and they started all this kidnappers. Even the Evans that time when we say they kidnapped them, they pay ransom for Evans. So up till now, Evans now see they in trial. They never even persecute and never do anything to them because you don't get money for their head. No, they just come out for no gain and I say, make the poor masses anybody when they kidnap, more like they go they will go 15 years in prison. No worry now. All this number they know what the year was. So now people will be they see the manage and they kidnap. Then they leave senator and the president and the governor when they want they kidnap. They say now the poor man then they want they kidnap. They not get sense. I don't know. More now go they more now kidnap all those people. All this senator when they talk that word and the governor and the president when they sign now, make they come talk and come and say when I go kidnap them, will see what they not go pay ransom for now. And now all this matter so now not talk say. More come anybody when thief Nigeria money may go prison put to not the talker. Everyone don't collect all that money finish for ransom. You don't be part now, you don't be big man. Try and I still dey up. Try and I still dey up till now. Try and I still dey up till now. If they never see persecute, you never see go prison. You dey abroad with the family. You see they try. You see try up till now, not be doing anything. But now in Nigeria, now say in Nigeria. Let Nigeria youth go do this. Nigeria will do with liberate us. I pray for like this one. I pray for this one. Now God now go to judge all of una for that Nigeria. So God now go to judge all of for this inhumanity one that they put for Nigerian people, but there was the pressure and the tears. Make kidnapper, make kidnap on our faith. Make I see whether or not go pay ransom for her. And the people when we say kidnap now, many students when they say kidnap now, they kill them. Up to now, we never see their dead body. Because they want to they make money now. Who they kidnap me gonna come out and come talk this useless law. Say make the national people know the pay ransom because I mean for the butcher their parcel there. I bet what you now tell me. Men the parents now make when they leave their people for this, I mean for kill them, butcher their pal, go sell them. So Nigeria be like meat. You might because they look, you might be like meat now, like fish and meat, cow. My people, now what did I say my because this is the annoy me. Now what now yeah, I say my for on this video today. I been want to think about this all this jobless senator talk about. More discuss am for the comment section. Abeg, more na share, more na like, more na subscribe to Promise World for the real gist. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.